So I thought this was pretty cool. I wanted to share with you guys again. It's the FIXY Makeup Repressing Kit. You fix broken makeup, depot, downsize, customize colors. So I haven't used this yet because I don't have makeup that has broken. Well, I did, but I threw it away because I didn't have this. Now that I have this, I don't have broken makeup. But I wanted to open it up and show you guys like how cool this is. So I am ready when that broken makeup comes. So in here, you're gonna get, let's see, you're gonna get a mirror, and then you're gonna get a place to put your eyeshadows or blushes. So it's gonna give you like the little round pans once you're done pressing. So this is neat. And then everything is in here. This is cool, you guys. Oof. So I haven't really figured out yet how to use it. But my guess is you put the makeup in here, and I'm guessing somehow, I don't know, I gotta read the directions. I shouldn't just guess. But then down here is your brushes, and then here's all the pans that you get to put your makeup in, your new ones that you're going to press in there. This is neat. I'm excited. It's like your own little science project. And I wasn't good in science. So you get that, and then you're gonna get the instruction book. So that's pretty cool. You know, a week before I got this, I broke a really expensive compact, and I was so upset because I don't buy those very often because they're expensive, and I don't buy them. That's one thing I don't like spend a lot of money on. And so I was kind of upset, and I ended up tossing it, and then I seen this on the TikTok shop, and I was like, damn it, like, why didn't I even think of that? Anyways, you get this, and I guess this is what you like smash the makeup in through the sifter. And then this is the solution. So it's pretty cool, you guys. You got your whole kit right here to fix that broken makeup. So this is pretty nifty to have on hand. And it all just stays in this box. So in here you're going to get 3 eyeshadows, 3 blushes or bronzers, and then 3 pressed powders. So you'll get the little round pans. And then you're going to get 1 magnetic palette. You're going to get the binding solution, 9 square magnetic pans. Mine weren't square though, mine were round. But okay. And then you put them in and they'll look like that. Isn't that neat? I'm excited. Anyways, I just wanted to come on and share this with you guys in case you guys have broken makeup, favorite makeup that you need to fix. Don't throw it away. This will save you.